Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Veo 3 model and battery level. You need at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, install the official Google Companion app on your phone or on a nearby PC so you can pair quickly. Once done, prepare a USB-C cable, your Wi-Fi name and password, and a spare SD card for recordings. This prevents delays. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Pairing will begin immediately when the device powers on. Power the Veo 3 and put it into pairing mode. The app will detect it within seconds. Follow the app prompts to update firmware, grant camera/microphone permissions, and join your Wi-Fi network. This ensures stable streaming and access. Once connected, configure resolution, storage path to the SD card, and set a recording schedule or motion zones. These settings control quality and file size. If you need lower latency, choose a lower resolution and a higher bitrate balance, then save and test a 10-second clip. Finish by running a full test recording and playing it back. Verify video clarity and audio synchronization so you know it's working. If adjustments are necessary, change audio gain, motion sensitivity, and notification rules. These tweaks reduce false alerts and improve detection. If something goes wrong, reboot the Veo 3, repair via the app, and check Wi-Fi signal strength. Weak signal causes most issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap the SD card to rule out storage faults before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.